Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at the Australia Technology Park here at Everleigh. Just want to show you guys a lovely steam crane for you viewers. I have no clue what the loco number for this steam crane is. I won't be able to climb up on it today, unfortunately. Just give you a 360 tour of a lovely steam crane. I think I see a loco number of this steam crane. The loco number of this steam crane is 1083. There, there's a little buffer end here. The couple up. And there you go. That's like a number of the steam crane 1083. There's the real reason why I cannot climb on a steam crane. Would have imposed an infringement notice for climbing on a steam crane, but unfortunately I opted not to. Anyway viewers, that's all I had to show you guys of a steam crane number 1083. There's not much more I can film here. So anyway viewers, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen right next to the subscribe tab. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.